Ah, okay, so mularga na po ko soon kay para tanaw na po ako kumahan. You know, like any other person that would be in detention, you would be depressed, and you would have trouble eating, di ba? Di ba ganahan ko, you would lose your appetite. So mga ko makita saya, but cognitively, it's okay, but it's not a young person, it's old. Ano ba? So yung lawas is okay, but pero payat na gid siya. Payat na gid siya kay tanaw na ko, wa siya makakaon og tarong kay tungod, you know, like wala igana. Wala igana. Kung nakasibalay, you're with family and friends, makakaon man ka, so wala na yung problema na yun. Pero kung ikaw, isang kinsa sa tua, like any other ordinary person, ibutang kag detention center, even without a clear, you know, like a clear case against you, without due process, how would you feel? So mauna sa mga tamo sa katao. It's very unjust yun ang ginabuhat sa iya karon. So, sige lang, siya may mayor nato gyapon. Okay, siya ay mayor nato, acting mayor ko. And he's been mayor here for several years already. Let's just follow his direction. Kaniadto pa hantod karon. Mauna ang dabawin niyo.